guys, so today I'm going to be doing a haul video. If you guys obviously saw the title already, this is a Dollarama, small Dollarama, and mostly a Dollar Tree haul. So, yep, I've been doing some extra shopping at the Dollar Tree these days, but for good reasons, and I'll show you in a minute. I'm gonna do the Dollarama first, just to get it out of the way. So the first thing, obviously, is some baby wipes. These were $1.50. I like to buy the unscented ones. I love the cheaper baby wipes for certain things, like when I'm crafting, so I got like glue on my fingers, when I'm doing makeup and I just need to wipe off like glitter, or just like wipe off my brush to keep on going, things like that. So this comes in a pack of 66 for $1.50. I mean, I think I can get them cheaper at the Dollar Tree, but they might be smaller packs. Actually, I'm gonna have to double check that. I don't think I've even bought them at the Dollar Tree before. I'm gonna have to look for that, but there is those. Then I bought these. These are microfiber washcloths, and these are $2.50 for a pack of 4. So there is purple, pink, peach, and yellow. I don't actually use these for cleaning. I turn these into little like reusable cotton pads. I don't really use cotton pads a lot, like the ones that help get rid of your makeup. But I do need something to put on toner and remove makeup. So I actually take these and then sew them into little squares. And these are great for that. They help, they do get stained, especially because I use a lot of like my eyebrow stuff is dark and my mascara is super dark. And obviously like my eyeshadow will definitely stain like these two. But for $2.50, I could literally make more than 20 little cotton pads reusable. And then I just wash them when I need to. So I bought that from the Dollarama. All right, so just moving right along into the fun stuff. I did some shopping at the Dollar Tree, and I just somehow did not know that they actually sold canvases. I know the Dollarama sells canvases, but they're the ones that are a little bit thicker, and these are really thin, and I picked up like 4 of these. I have one on my wall already, which are great because I just use, I put art on them and put them up on my walls. I don't paint or anything like that, but I do use canvases to make really cute wall decorations. So these are $1. Technically they're $1.45 with taxes in Canada. So, but like they're cheap. I go to Michael's and they're really quite expensive. And because I'm not painting on them or anything, they're awesome. And I like the fact that they're not pumping off the walls like the thicker like canvases, and they don't have the wood in them, because all I have to do is use those like command hook for like the posters, and this totally works. All right, so let's jump into, I guess, let's just do the craft stuff since we just hit up the canvas. So this, I realize, is not technically a craft thing. This is one of those baby things where you know, put your fingers in and the babies like pull out the stuff. I don't know why I keep doing that. But I use this for something a little bit different when I am making craft projects, and I am weeding, is what they call when you're taking off vinyl out of a project. With my little weeding tool, it's a lot easier to just stick it in here, and then it gets caught on these little things here, so that I don't actually have to be like trying to get off the vinyl. So then I picked up some elastic, and this is a double elastic, so it's like quite long. And I use this, and it's okay that it's like a little bit cheaper than I wouldn't use it for like actual sewing things, like if I was making an outfit or something. But I use this for making scrunchies. So recently I made this little scrunchie here. It looks, it's got some, I've already worn it. So it's got the little bow and the little tie, but like in here is where I would put this. So it doesn't matter that it's not super, super expensive. As long as it's a bit stretchy, I find that it works really well for little scrunchies. Okay, and that was obviously $1.45. Everything else is, except for unless there's a tag on it, was the same price. So then I picked up a lot of different things. Okay, so we have 3 of these, and these are the Pop Dot adhesives, and they are little, they have little dots in them, and then they actually pump things up off of, like when you're sticking things together. It's like foam, double-sided foam, and I realized that there's a lot of wasted space in these, but I picked 3 of them up for, they're great for projects, and I'll show you in a second what kind of projects they're amazing for. But I thought this was such a waste because there's 264 little dots, so there's 2 sheets. But I also figured because I'm already using the dots, and when it's empty, all of this is already double-sided too. So what I'm going to do is all the stuff in between the dots, I'm going to use too. Might as well just get as much of it as I can. Crafting stuff is expensive, so if I can find it at the Dollar Tree, I will get it. Then I picked up 3 of these, and these are they're called magical adhesive dots. They are kind of similar. They're double-sided as well. The only thing is they're clear and they're not poofy. So it's kind of like using double-sided tape. So I got 3 of those, and there are 72 in here. These ones are a bit harder to cut, so you'd have to cut them on the plastic that's in them. So I'm going to use that for a different kind of project. And then they had 1 of these, which is why I nabbed it. This is the same. It's a pop-up dot adhesive. There's 2 sheets in here, but they're little squares, and it's the whole thing is squares. So I do cut these in half sometimes for specific projects. The projects that I'm talking about are things like this. So if you can see here, there's a lot. I don't know if my camera's going to pick it up, but it's got all these little like foam dots and stuff in them. These are these ones here, and I ended up having some of them. This is the first project I did with this, and you can kind of see that there is some areas where you can see the white showing through, which is why I thought it was really good to get the smaller ones. But that is also why I have picked up so many canvases, because I'm actually going to end up putting some of them together. I'm doing another one here, so I'm going to end up having this really cute canvas with these kind of things. So then I picked up some of these. These are multi-surface antibacterial wipes, and these are at the Dollar Tree, and this is the first time I've seen them. These say that they're extra strong, and they are super thick and easy. They get rid of germs, and they're good for pretty much knobs, sinks, things like that. I picked up a pack just because I want to try them out. I find that I'm cleaning the knobs and the handles and stuff in our house quite often, just because I'm coming in and out from work, and my boyfriend comes in and out from work as well, and then of course grocery shopping and all that stuff. So, you know, just trying to keep it safe in here. Then I picked up some of these. I mean, you gotta keep the dental health, right? So these are the Plackers Pro Mint packs, and there's 2 little things in here. I really enjoy these. These are great. I realize you could buy the bags and it's cheaper because there's more of them in the bags, but I really like these ones, and I like the cases. So what I actually do is I stack them in my like bathroom drawer, and I love them. So, and they also have a toothpick on the end, which are great, and I can always throw one of those in my purse too. So like if I'm eating something at work and I really need that extra, like, you know, something gets stuck in my teeth and I really need that help, then these are great for that. And then I picked up 4 of these. These are the command hooks, the 3M command hooks. These are the ones where you can hold up to 2 pounds on them. They all come in like their own little individual pack, and I love these for hanging things up. I have them pretty much everywhere in our house, and I have them for hanging up masks by the front door, hanging up keys by the front door. I have them hanging up artwork. I even have them for hanging up things like in our closet where I want to just put like scarves and stuff, like fancier scarves. These are great for that. And they're so much cheaper than going to the Walmart. And they're the same brand, so it's not like they're like the cheaper brand. Then I picked up 2 of these ones. Same command hooks. These are the 3M command hooks. These are the small clear hooks. These are great for putting up like things like little ornaments on the walls. They're only 0.5 pounds, so they're great for small things. I have a few like really cute ornament things that I love, so I keep those on the wall, but they come in a packet too, so there's 4 here. And then there was only one of these ones, and these are my favorite ones. They're the ones that have the hook that looks like that, where you can actually move the hook. And I have keys on these. I have them in a closet where I keep some of my crafting stuff, and there's a dowel on it. So they just sit on the thing, and then I have my like washi tape on it. So there's that. They're called nylon cable straps or ties. These are for a craft that I'm doing. That involves one of these, which I also picked up. And this is just the paper towel holder. So I'm actually using this and 4 of these wire napkin holders. And if you want to see a video, let me know if you guys want to see it. I don't want to tell you what it is yet. But so I picked up 4 of these as well as this. And then these are going to be what secures them together. So those. Then I picked this up. Okay, so this I found it was in the front actually with some other books, and I love PC Cast. There is a series that I love about vampires, and this is called Moon Chosen, and I actually, weirdly enough, have not even seen this book before. And it can't be new. There's no way it's at the Dollar Tree. In the back it says that turn the page for the sneak peek of the PC Cast next novel, Sun Warrior, available October 2007. Oh, so it's definitely not new, that's for sure. But I haven't seen it before, and for $1, so under $2 for a book with tax, especially for one of my favorite authors, is definitely a score in my eyes. So I picked that up. My boyfriend wasn't too happy that I bought another book, but let's not talk about that. And then I bought some more face masks, and these I found, they're super cute. I'm so excited to try them. I am going to do a review on them on the video, so make sure you're subscribed and hit the notification bell so you make sure that you get the notifications, so when I actually do this video, then you will see it. So these are 2 sheet masks, and this one is this is the Magic Unicorn face mask, and this is in Honey Glow mask. And then this one is a coconut mask, and this is the Animal Panda mask. From what I'm aware of, they actually look like these, or I think they do. They were $1, like 45. So for sheet masks, I'll take it. So then I picked up a few of these. These are the new bins that they've been having at the Dollar Tree. I'm sure if you've seen any Dollar Tree videos, these have been making an appearance in a lot of them lately. These are super cute. So I have these colors. I have an orange one in exactly the same size, and a blue one that looks, this is the blue color here. And I do have it in this size as well. And then I have a bunch of these ones. I just didn't want to bring them all. I already have a few things in them. I grabbed them and started organizing already. So I have this one and then this one. And then the last one that I just found was this. This is the first time I've seen this. It wasn't even in an area where these ones were. This was literally off lonely by itself. And I don't know if it was placed there with something else or if it was just like the last one. But the minute I saw this, I nabbed it. I thought that this was really cute. And I thought this would be a really cute little stand to put things in when on my crafting table, so I don't have to be looking for things when I'm doing some crafts. That was everything that I purchased in this shopping trip to the Dollar Tree and Dollarama. If you guys want to see a video on me doing my craft with the napkin holders and the paper towel holder and these, then make sure you leave me a comment in the comments below, so I will make sure to film it for you guys, as well as keep on the lookout for me testing out these. Also, if you guys want to see a video on me making the cotton round reusable ones out of this, leave me a comment in the comments below. That one would be, there'd be some sewing involved, so I'd have to take out my sewing machine and film that, but that's totally something that if you guys are interested, let me know. That was everything. So I hope you guys are staying safe, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.